The gray partridge, or Perdix perdix, is a small, ground-dwelling bird belonging to the order Galliformes. Native to Europe and parts of Asia, it is commonly found in open farmland, grasslands, and agricultural fields. Its brown and gray mottled feathers provide excellent camouflage against the soil and dry vegetation. A distinctive chestnut-colored horseshoe mark on the belly is often seen in males. Gray partridges feed mainly on seeds, grains, green plants, and insects, especially during the breeding season. They prefer running to flying, but can take short, rapid flights when threatened. Social and often seen in small groups called coveys, gray partridges are important game birds and play a key role in farmland ecosystems.